his ass hang with a teller. She keep throwing that ass back while I'm out of this perky, I know. Then she want me coming out inside. It can be what you want it to be. It can be what you want it to be.
Huh? Yeah, that big. Yeah, it's weed. At least right now. Oh, right. Boy, she walked bad like she was fine. Whatever, I got no ass. She might well get her ass done for sure. Man, last time I came out here, boy, I used to a brown skin thing. Take a price of face this week, huh?
I know that.
You been on dude? I just got on him.
Oh yeah,
With low something. Yeah, low something. Yeah, I heard you did I saw you did a video with Rap Fire.
Yeah, Rap for 9.
Oh, Rap for 9 too? Oh yeah, he did, yeah.
Oh, you put that on some shit. I know it really got me on.
Which one?
He be like, you put it on for me.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Bob. It been dry right now, dude. But I feel like going in the club. So, but fuck, you could take a ride downtown or something. They fine. The other chick ass was sucked in. Yeah, I'm turn around and get closer right here. Like right church.
Right now?
Yeah. So nigga can see the whole shoot. Oh, you wanna take a ride? I ain't gonna lie, I got a piss. Let me see. I'm gonna go behind that dumpster.
I know just what you be doing in here. You call me whenever you want. Let me come through it, I'm going. Okay, I know how you doing it. Take it down each time I'm storing it. Okay, I know love your face. Fuck you good, put you in your place. Like a gangster, I don't speeding up. In here while I'm driving, I'm geeking out. Oh my god, you move like a reaper, huh? She have a bad little jump, better keep her on. Sitting leaning to like a woman. Talking gangster, the beach like a boy. Make some girl way down in the ton. We been up on you all so you know it. See me leaving till I go on. Try your game to the beach like a boy. Make some girls way down in the ton. We been up on you all so you know it. In my 30, my 30 is running, feeling, and I'm